What is up, Lambros? SteveCurrington.com here. Hey, I'm at my buddy Jordan's place. We're cleaning the razors. We're about to go out on the track. I can't film that because it's a super secret track, but what I do want to film, because I think you might find this funny, is Jordan and I were just talking about this. Jordan, slightly on camera. So I got so White Glove works on my cars, okay? So White Glove, love Myron, does a good job. So last week when I dropped my car off, I said, hey, will you drop the car, take it down to Patrick? And I won't name the company. Take it down to Patrick and he can do the oil change, okay? And he's like, yeah, sure. So I'm out of town, I'm in Dallas. They said, hey, it's done, it's $200. Do you want me to use the Amex you have on file? I'm like, yeah, sure. So I don't know what was going on, but I was in Dallas and they were trying to run it by entering the card and it wasn't working. And I was like, I don't know, it's maybe because I've been swiping my card in Dallas and maybe it's a fraud thing with Amex, I have no idea, but I'll take care of it when I get back. So I got back on Sunday night and it's now Wednesday, so it's been like 3 days. And I'm just busy. I haven't heard from anyone. I didn't go by there, pay him or anything. I mean, I went by and got my car on Sunday. He wasn't open. Went back by on Monday to drop something off while I was working. And then nothing. So then I'm talking to Myron just now, and I'm getting ready to call this here Patrick. So I'm not going to show you his name, but I'm going to call him and film and see what he says. Because he told Myron that don't tell Steve, don't worry, he doesn't have a bill here, and he can take his car to Lamborghini and pay double. Because I shouldn't have to call him and pay.
Bad way to do business.
Bad way to do business. I'll give you the lesson right there. So let's call homeboy and see what he has to say. They just talked to him. I'm not going to show his name. So now I'm calling him.
Your call has been forwarded to
Just keep blowing them up. Just keep blowing them up. Say you got to call 2 times to be able to pay you?
I know.
Just keep calling.
Yeah, I'll just keep dialing over and over.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message.
Okay, hold on one second. I put my earbuds up because I don't want them to switch over to earbuds. It's ringing again. Still nothing. Calling him on his cell phone.
Your call has been forwarded to...
Still no answer. Call number 4.
I called 200 times since you owe $400.
Just trying to pay. Just trying to take care of my obligations.
He's got a Lamborghini, but he can't pay a $200 bill.
Dude,
It's alright.
It's tough right now.
It's tough.
Times are tough.
What's this jackass fucking thing? I mean, just because he can't pay his bills,
I don't know what it is. I mean,
Like-
is it because he's needs to be paid? Even more reason why I should answer. I don't know. Nothing. Like, this is call number 5. All right, dude, here's the deal. He's obviously not going to answer. I'm not going to keep filming, but I am going to call him about 600 more times. I don't know what to think about this, but I am going to try to make a positive resolution for this. When he does call me, I'm going to just say, like I haven't even talked to Myron. I'm just going to say, hey, I just want to make sure I get you paid. And see what he says. See if he then says what he says to Myron. I bet he doesn't. We'll be back.